Hey, you guys go to high school around here?
No.
Yeah, we do.
He's a stranger.
Do you?
No. I mean, I used to, but not since I got this bike.
That's a sweet bike.
I know. You like music about fantasy?
Yeah.
How fast your bike go?
Fast enough, Dick.
I was just asking.
Yeah, well, I've kicked a lot of ass since I got this bike, so be careful.
You mean fights?
Yeah, serious fights, big fights.
Fist fights?
Is there any other kind? Ask anybody around here about me, these.
Can I touch them?
What do you think?
Don't do that. Jesus. You know how many germs are on that?
It's called Purell, buddy. Try some.
You're gross.
I know.
Hey, can we go now?
Why don't you take it easy, nerd?
No. I've taken it easy my whole life, nerd.
Be careful, I might just take you outside and spin you around, nerd.
I'm gonna jack your dick sideways, nerd.
I'm already hard, nerd.
I'll come between your toes, nerd.
Hey, why don't you cough out one of those M&Ms in your butthole, nerd?
I'm gonna finger my asshole as you scream in my ears, nerd!
Stop.
You're lucky, nerd.
You're lucky, nerd.
Enough! No one here is a nerd.
You want to blow this pop stand?
Get the F off my bike! What are you doing, nerd?
Sorry.
You better be.
Sorry. You coming?
Yeah?
No, not you, nerd.
You. Like haunted houses?
Yeah.
Do you scare easy?
Yeah.